Our attention to race 8 this evening. We'd ask that you would turn your attention to Victory Lane and join us in recognizing a truly remarkable career in Atlantic Canadian harness racing. After more than 50 years of dedicated service as a starter, Rodney MacIntosh is officially retiring. Rodney began his career in 1975 at the Cape Breton Sports Centre, which later became the famed Tartan Downs. Over the decades, he's lent his steady hand and sharp eye to countless race days at tracks across the region, North Sydney, Inverness, Woodstock, St. John, Charlottetown, Summerside, and right here at Truro Raceway. Rodney's final official start will be race 8 here tonight. His calm demeanor, deep knowledge of the sport, and unwavering sense of fairness have made him an invaluable presence at the starting gate and a trusted voice within the Atlantic Provinces Harness Racing Commission. Rodney is joined trackside this evening by APHRC Chair Glenn Rankin and several APHRC officials. Glenn will be making the special Winner's Circle presentation to honor Rodney's half-century of service to our sport. We will miss seeing Rodney in the starting gate, but we'll be looking forward to spotting Rodney at racetracks across the region, this time as a race fan of the sport he's helped shape for 5 decades. Please join us in giving a warm round of applause and heartfelt congratulations to Rodney MacIntosh.